So I got an idea. Now I can
100% see myself right in you.
Whoever said don't play with your food, missed the boat. He's done it again. He's done it again. I'm going in for a second.
I don't know what to do with myself.
I don't know what to do with my hands.
I don't do with my hands.
So burgers, you know, nothing screams, nothing screams summer like construction and burgers. I haven't had to get all anaconda on it. Try one more time.
That's Eric going full anaconda. So good, he had to leave.
That was so good.
Where are you going?
Look, I don't know what to do with myself. My pizza peel moves. Oh! Hey guys, Chef Eric here, Kamado Joe. Just a little stretch. Oh. The only issue with this burger is going to be sharing. I don't know. Chef Eric here from Kamado Joe. Kamado Joe. Turkey wings, get your turkey wings! You know.
Is that how you want to start this video?
Absolutely it is. A coffee, bourbon, brown sugar, compound butter on top of the roasted sweet potato with the corn and the ancho espresso tri-tip. Are you with me? Let's do it. It's a lot. It's a lot, but it's not.